Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up post review in your group that you have created on the linkedin.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and then click on the home button at the top. Select the group from this left side column, tap on manage group in the left side again from the left side, and then click on content at the top, tap on setup post review, then select how would you like to review new posts. Review all posts, only review posts that meet the criteria that you can set here, such as new group member or external links, or no review required. Click on the save button, and then the post review settings have been saved, as you can see here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.